Hey chat, remind us to torque down the wheels. Because I don't think we're gonna remember. We're hitting a limiter in second. Push it. Just gotta tighten them up so we can get home. Well, you're picking up in a bad spot.
I don't know if it will go down or not.
Axle is still touching here.
Yeah, it'll slip
And over
between.
there.
It'll slip between.
So you grab
I don't know if the ship like it just moved far enough for it to go.
Sorry, Mark. Not intentional. Why did I think pouring it on the ground was a good idea? I'm so stupid, bruh. Go away, go away, go away. Oh, it worked. Stop it! Stop! No! Ooh. Actually, hold on. There we go. Gee. More gear oil. That's why the fire wasn't stopping. Why am I pouring it on the floor again? Ugh. I'll be back. I've cleaned it with more brake clean. We gotta let it all burn away. No better time than now to start welding. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Let's take that outside. We're good. Oh, don't do what I just did.
What's going on?
Okay. We got the corners welded and I got the little plate installed. That's what it's looking like. Cut the plate a bit short, no problem. We'll weld it up and it'll all be fine. Yeah, I bet it a bit too short. No? Anyways, weld it up, call it a day. So we got a bit more than just the ring gears welded up. We put the plate in and then we welded around the plate and then welded the top of the plate to give it a bit of extra thickness. Might go a couple more layers on the ring gears, make sure it's an extra tight. We don't want anything coming loose here. Yup, we got it to move this way. Looks like a bit of splatter might have gotten onto the ring gears. Here's the aftermath of the little boom that we had. Definitely gave me a scare. Could have burned down the shop if we weren't careful, but I was quick to react, got it outside, and we're good. All right, it's the next day. We got the diff over here. Got the cover on. All the bolts torqued. We got her filled up. Whole bottle went in. Time to put it in.
Just started the motor, sounds really good. Cranks over, nice. Sounds good. Doesn't sound like it's jumping a beat. Working great, 6 cylinders. There we go. What up?
Handbrake.
Easy,
No,
easy.
like throttle.
Yes, sir. Wait, let it spin. Don't rev. Yes, sir. Well, the diff.
Have a speed sensor.
What?
Have a speed sensor.
Yeah? Okay, bet. What's that down there then?
Yellow oil pressure light.
Let's go. Roman, it sounds so good. Sounds like a Beamer, all right.
We got the MS4X uploading a new tune. I deleted all the anti-lag stuff, just an EWS delete, so hopefully this should work. We will see. It's gonna take a minute. We'll be back when it's done. Got like no power, as you can see. That's first gear. Limiter, drop the clutch, nothing. Just understeering.
That sounds way better. You suck.
Why is the stick so strong?
There we go.
Ram, stop. Oh, no. Oopsies, the fender. No, that's good. High rub.
It's rubbing. Look at all
that's
this.
good. Let it rub. I'll see where it has to clear the fenders. Let me try that again. I did not expect that. Whoa!
Let's go. It's working. No, this is what you just did.
What?
You're cleaning that up.
Oh wow, that's what that was.
Yeah.
I'll clean that up.
Exactly what that
felt
was.
like a snapped axle, I'm telling you.
Давай я попробую.
One more shot, come on.
Bro, look what you did, by the way.
I see.
Almost just knocked the camera. Go, go. What's going on?
Stock traction control is not letting me spin it. Traction control flashes and shuts the power off.
Really?
That's what's going on.